Assalamu alaikum 6th class in English letter. Lecture number 21 and page number 66. Students, today we have to start our chapter number 10 about the Robin Hood and the Bishop. We'll read about the two basic characters, uh, Robin Hood and Bishop. Robin Hood is the robber who robs the rich persons to help the poor people, and on the other hand, Bishop is the person having good reputation in the society because he holds a charge of the church. That's why he has a great honor in the society. But in true sense, Bishop is the corrupt person because he collects the wealth and spends on his personality. Sixth class, this is Robin Hood who robs the rich persons to help the poor people, and this one is the Bishop. I think that your concept about the Robin Hood and the Bishop is clear. Now let's start our basic theme of the story, that what we have to read in this story. Let's start the main theme. Students, one day Robin Hood was roaming in the forest. Roaming means students, he was wandering in the society, in the forest without any purpose. It means कि वो वहाँ पे घूम रहा था. And where he dwelt means where he lived without his army, अपनी army के बगैर. Robin Hood, you know very well that this is the robber who robs the rich people. And then Bishop and his men were passing through the forest, on the very forest where Robin Hood dwelt. When they found Bishop alone, Robin Hood alone, they tried to arrest him in order to please Bishop's friend because he was the enemy of the Robin Hood. And then Robin Hood escaped from there and got the refuge in one old lady's house. वो वहाँ से भाग जाता है और वहाँ जाकर एक बूढ़ी सी औरत होती है उसकी झोंपड़ी में, वहाँ पे जाकर वो पनाह लेते हैं, as you can see in the picture. And then he told the old lady that he was Robin Hood who helped the poor people. वो उसको बता के जाता है, उसको बताता है कि ये वही इंसान है जो कि अमीरों की चोरियां करके गरीबों की हेल्प करता है, तो क्या इस मुश्किल वक्त में तुम उसकी हेल्प करोगे. उसे हेल्प मांगते हैं. He asked for help. The old lady became ready and changed her clothes with Robin. When the soldiers, like you can see, these are the soldiers. When the soldiers went in the house, the old lady showed as if she were Robin and pretended like Robin Hood. जब वो उसके झोंपड़ी में जाते हैं और देखते हैं कि वहाँ पे रॉबिन हुड है या नहीं, तो और जो बूढ़ी औरत है वो उसके कपड़े रॉबिन हुड के साथ चेंज करके उसका गेटअप सारा लेकर तो बाहर आती है और ऐसे शो करवाती है कि वही रॉबिन हुड है और वो उसको अरेस्ट कर लें. एंड देन they arrested her and went from there. On the way they knew that they had arrested the wrong person. जब वो रास्ते में जा रहे होते हैं तो उनको महसूस होता है कि हाँ उन्होंने तो एक गलत इंसान को जो अरेस्ट कर लिया है, as you can see in the picture. And then in the meanwhile Robin Hood came there with his army and gave all the wealth to his army after snatching from Bishop. अपनी जो आर्मी का है वो सारी जो वेल्थ है वो उससे छीन कर उसको दे देता है, बिकॉज Bishop had a great wealth which he had collected from the poor people in the name of church. And then Robin Hood made the old lady free from the Bishop trap. At the end we come to know that the result of vices always comes in the shape of trouble. जो हम बुराई करते हैं तो उसका जो नतीजा है वो भी एक मसलों की शक्ल में हमारे सामने आता है या हमें किसी मुसीबत में फंसा देता है. एंड देन वी शुड नॉट डिसीव एनी पर्सन in the name of the religious activities or in the name of the God. Your religious character in the society doesn't matter, while your good deeds or your good activities matters a lot near the society or near the God as well, because at the end we have finally surrendered before the circumstances and before the God as well, because the result of the voices always come into the shape of trouble. Students, I hope that your concept about the main story of the Robin Hood and the Bishop is clear, and the central idea of the story as well. Now let's start reading or studying the difficult word meanings. Words and meanings. Bishop, church official, it means who takes the hold of church. Hereford, English breed of beef. कैटल, जो इंग्लिश में नस्ल आती है कैटल की, उनको बोलते हैं. मॉनिटरी, मॉन्क्स मीन्स जो कम्युनिटी का निज़ाम चलाते हैं, बड़े बड़े जो इसके अहदेदार लोग होते हैं. डिवेल्ट, लिव इन, रिहाइश पजीर होना. सेट आउट, बिगिन अ जर्नी, कोई सफ़र शुरू करना. गोर्जस, वंडरफुल. आर्मोर, बॉडी प्रोटेक्शन, ज़रा बख्तर. roaming, wander, to wander or to go here and there without any purpose. Prisoner, convict. कैदी, enemy, rival, दुश्मन या मुखालिफ. promised, source of hope, वादा. capture, entrap, गिरफ्तार करना. instantly, at once, अचानक. hide, place out of sight, छुपाना. forgotten, fail to remember, भूल जाना. प्रेजेंट, ऑफरिंग, नज़र आने वाला या मौजूद. बिलीव, हैविंग फेथ इन, यकीन रखना. स्केप्ड, रन अवे, फरार हो जाना. चेस, हंट, पीछा करना. इंक्रीज इन, मोर एंड मोर, बढ़ाते जाना. क्विकली, रैपिडली, जल्दी से. आइडेंटिफाई, रिकग्नाइज, पहचानना. रेस्क्यू, सेव फ्रॉम हार्म, किसी की जान बचाना. क्लेवर, वाइज, समझदार. इंडीड, श्योरली, यकीनन. सेवरल, मैनी. रस्ड इन, जंप्ड इन, आगे को बढ़ जाना. हैपेंड, टुक प्लेस, रूनुमा होना. होबल्ट, वॉक लेमली, लंगड़ा कर चलना. रस्ट इन, जंप्ड इन. गैदर एवरीवन, ब्रिंग एवरीवन मीन्स एक जगह पर सबको इकट्ठा करना. मार्चिंग, जर्नी, सफ़र शुरू करना. गेली, हैप्पीली. मीनवाइल, एट द सेम टाइम. हैपेंड, टुक प्लेस. आर्म्ड, हैविंग आर्म्स. स्टॉट, हैवी, मजबूत. फेयरवेल, गुड बाय, अलविदा कहना. विक्ट, बैड. अराइव्ड, रीच, पहुँचना. शाउट, क्राई लाउडली, चीखना. बैंक, हिट, ज़रब लगाना. ट्रम्पिट, ब्लो आ ट्रम्पिट, खुशी का नगारा बजाना या फिर वैसे ही कोई ख़तरे के लिए नगारा का बजाना. कैप्टन, ग्रुप लीडर, कप्तान. स्कैटर्ड, स्प्रेड, फैला हुआ. बिसाइड, नेक्स्ट टू, पहलू में. डैबल, डैबल ग्रे, पैच ऑफ कलर्स, रंगों का एक टुकड़ा. लीडिंग, एडवांस पोजीशन, किसी को गाइड करना, किसी के आगे चलना. पोनी, स्मॉल हॉर्स. फोल्ड, इडियट. अनबाउंड, अनटाई, खोलना. डैम, मैम, टू से मैम इन रिस्पेक्ट एनी सीनियर लेडी. गैदर्ड, असेंबल, जमा करना. लेट डाउन, सेट डाउन, हथियार डाल देना. बिलोंग्स, बी अ पार्ट ऑफ, किसी चीज़ का हिस्सा बनना या उससे ताल्लुक़ रखना. रियलाइज्ड, अंडरस्टैंड, कंफर्टेबल, ईजी. Students, except these word meanings, you have to learn the book read meanings as well. I hope that your concept about the main theme, the difficult word meanings, is clear. Now let's start the reading. That how to read. I will read the first two paragraphs, and after then you have to read the whole lesson with that fluency. Let's start. The bishop of Hereford had to take a great deal of money to our monastery. The path led to Sherwood Forest, where Robin Hood dwelt. It was a bright June day when a bishop set out with his army of servants and soldiers. He rode in the middle, wearing a gorgeous robe over his armor. Students, you have not to only read the reading, you have to create the central idea of the poem, of the story as well, and then you have to practice about the other word meanings, except the word meanings which I have given you on the notes and on the book read meanings. And then you have to prepare the lesson in this way. I hope that your concepts are clear. In the next video we'll start about the comprehension or grammatical concepts. Till then, Allah Hafiz.